guys, what's up? I'm Brian and I'm doing another how-to video. In today's video I am doing a how-to transformation on Transformers Generations Titans Returns Misfire. So for anyone that needs a visual explanation on how to transform the figure, I will show you the transformation into jet mode and then into robot mode. So anyways, let's take a look at the figure and its transformation and let's just go right into it. To start off, what you want to do is take off the little headmaster from the Titan Master's head right there. You see the little post sticking out on the side there, and you just want to set that off to the side like so. Next, what you want to do is take the guns and just take them off. Next, what you want to do, take the fists and fold them into the arms, like that. Next thing you want to do is take the cockpit from the front and just move that like so. So let me try that again. Take this little section right there, or the nose cones, or whatever you want to call this, and it's on a double joint. Just line that up, and that will click right into place. Next, what you want to do is fold up the heel like so, and make sure that's tucked inside that, and fold up the foot. And the reason why you want to do that is, for some reason in the transformation, when you move the foot back, the heel likes to fold inside that. That's something you don't want to do. So just fold the heel back like so, and make sure that the foot's up like that. So basically you would have something like this. Combine the legs like so. Take the legs right there and move them back, and then pull this little section, you can see the pin right there, and pull that forward to about there. Next, what you want to do is take the knees and the legs and fold it up to where it's going to fill out this section like so. Next, what you want to do, and this is kind of a hard part to really explain, is you want to take the arms and pull them off to the side. Now, as you're doing this, you want to take the wings and you want to rotate them because they're on the separate joint and follow that with the arm. Otherwise, if you don't do that, then the wing is just going to kind of go wherever it wants. So, with that, what I like to do is just move out the arm, move up the wing, and just take my time, making sure that it all lines up. You can see the double joint right here. And then just take that as far down as possible to where you're going to get it something like this. And then the arm will tab into the back of the leg like so. And you just want to make sure that's lined up. It doesn't really tab in too well, but it's okay. And then bring the wing and move that down like so. There's a little tab right on the shoulder. Let me see if I can zoom in. You see the tab and the little gap right there. You just want to collapse that into that. And do the same thing to the other side. Pull out the arm like so. And rotate the wing as you're doing that. Like that. Make sure that goes into that section. And bring down the wing. And there you have Misfire in his alt mode. Now what you can do with the extra stuff is you can take the guns and let me see, you can attach them to the shoulders so that they're underneath the wings, which doesn't look too bad. Actually looks pretty cool. I do like that. And you can add the Titan Master, which you can just fold out like so, and he's his own person. And take the cockpit. And what I like to do is move that down and then flip this up. And let's see. So this guy has to sit down like that for him to be able to sit inside there. And then just bring down the cockpit and flip that up. And there you have a pilot for Misfire, which is pretty cool. I do like that. Anyways, transformation back. What you want to do is make sure that the Titan Master is out of the cockpit. Although it doesn't really matter, you can pretty much just leave him in there. But you're going to need him for the head. I've forgotten a couple of times to take this guy out. Anyways, take off the guns like so. And then to transform it back, what you want to do is pop the arms out of the sections in the legs right there. You can see the tab and the little rectangular hole right there where I'm pointing at. Yeah. Anyways, and then what you want to do is bring up the wings. And you want to make sure you want to do this right now. Because if you don't and you bring this up, then you might break something because what's going on is the wing wants to move out of place and the shoulder just kind of stays in place, so you could potentially break something. But if you remember to pop that up, just bring up the shoulder on the double joint like so. I'll show it on this side now. And then bring down the wing like that. And just make sure that everything collapses in like so. Do the same thing to the other side, like that. And you can bring out the fists if you want, just to finish off the arms so you can get that out of the way. Bring the legs and move them down like so. Bring the nose cone. And when you bring that back, there's a little tab that lines up with the cockpit. So you want to make sure that you bring this up first and then bring that down. Or just anything to make sure that this little piece doesn't open up while you're trying to move that back. Because you don't want this. So just make sure that's out of the way like so. Take the legs and move them forward like that. And then bring that up like so. Anyways, next what you want to do is fold out the feet. And the heels will follow through for the robot mode. So not for jet mode, but for robot mode, the heels will follow. Separate the legs. And there you have Misfire in robot mode. You can take the Titan Master if you want. And you can take the guns. And if you like, you can combine the guns. And you can add the Titan Master inside there. And you can plug that onto the figure. But that's not what I do. I'd like to transform this into the head, separate the weapons. You can plug in the weapons however you want, like so. You can plug them onto the shoulders, and then add the Titan Master onto the top here. And there you have Misfire in his robot mode. I hope this video was helpful. If not, at least maybe enjoyable to watch the transformation. Anyways, with that said, I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those fun doodads, and I'll see you guys next time.